Welcome to Meditation to Miracles. Today, we are gently healing your sense of worth so that abundance can flow to you naturally, without force, without guilt, without struggle. Close your eyes softly. Imagine yourself in a calm, safe space, a place where you feel at ease. Now, gently notice, a younger version of you appears in front of you, not broken, not weak, just trying their best. Notice their face, their posture, the effort they carry. Sit beside them, at the same level. No authority, only compassion. Say softly to them, "You don't have to prove your worth. You are not behind in life. You are already enough." Notice how their body responds. Maybe they relax. Maybe they feel emotional. Let whatever happens be okay. Now imagine a warm, golden light forming in your heart. This light is pure self-worth, not earned, not conditional, simply present. With every gentle breath, this golden light grows brighter, softer, warmer. It fills your chest, moves into your stomach, down into your hips and legs. Let this light dissolve old beliefs like, "I am not ready yet. I need to struggle more. I don't deserve ease." They fade gently, without force. Now, repeat these affirmations quietly or softly out loud. Let them sink in. I am worthy simply because I exist. My value does not come from struggle. I release the belief that I must suffer to deserve. I allow myself to receive with ease. I am safe to be supported. I am open to wealth that honors my worth. If your mind resists, that's okay. Let the words work gently, like water soaking into dry soil. Now imagine money approaching you, not aggressively, not urgently. It arrives calmly, respectfully, as if it recognizes your worth. Money is no longer something you chase. It responds to the way you value yourself. Feel how different this feels in your body. Less tension, more trust. As my self-worth grows, receiving becomes natural. I allow abundance to meet me where I am. I no longer block wealth with self-doubt. Now, simply rest. No affirmations, no effort, just breathing, feeling, allowing. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale. Begin to bring awareness back to your body, the space around you. Your worth is not in the future, it is here, now. And as you honor your worth, wealth responds naturally. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.